This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. Tommy O'Brien, 9 a.m. update. We're going to do 3 quick minutes on the market, and let's see where things are shaking out. So we have the futures positive this morning. S&P futures is up about 6 right now. Dow futures up 37, NASDAQ up 23. Crude oil is pretty flat. I got the VIX up here right now. VIX continuing to slide a little bit. We're at 1379, coming off that high of 1628 a few days ago. Volatility getting priced out of the market as we see it creeping back into positive territory. Be interesting to see where that shakes out. Of course, we got the options hour at noon with Kevin Hinks, Scott Connor, TD Ameritrade. They're always talking about volatility in the options market. On the news front, here's what we have going on. IBM with some tough news. They are down 5% pre-market. Let's take a look at IBM real quick because that is going to put probably about, I think I saw about 60 points alone into the Dow. Quite an overnight movement, 170 down to 160. And jumping around, the other thing we have moving this morning is gold. Gold getting some good action overnight, and that's not showing it there. But taking a look, let's jump over to the Nadex platform, and let's take a look at the binary breakdown real quick. So here's gold, just looking at last night. This is yesterday. We came down almost to this similar area. We're up as high as 1293, 1294 overnight, trading almost to 1282, getting some positive acceleration right now. Along the right side, here are binaries for the day, 1:30 expirations for the gold contracts, 4 hours, 28 minutes left. You can see the kind of bids and offers to the upside, to the downside, priced in there, and then jumping over for the weeklies. I like to get a feel as well. Same chart, just kind of scaled a little bit different. These ones are expiring, of course, on Friday at 1:30. We're looking to the positive side. More premium, of course, priced in there. More time priced in there, which is going to be why. Some of the news coming out here today, jumping on Bloomberg. We got the French elections, of course, coming up Sunday night. And it's just a four-way race is a tough one to peg. And volatility will be in the markets come Sunday night because France could have huge implications on the European Union in general. And if pollsters are struggling with those four candidates, it'll be interesting to see whether a surprise could come at us. And you know how that can affect the markets. All right, stay tuned. Mr. Larry Pesavento coming up next. We got a great day of programming. Thanks so much, folks. We'll talk to you soon.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.